This is Village Auto's 2013 Dodge Dart Limited 4-door sedan. Very clean local trade. Accident free, verified through AutoCheck. With a rear defrost, rear backup camera, alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires, the custom privacy glass. Very sharp, well maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $7,977. Let's get inside here for you. The limited package is a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You have the full power options, power driver's side seat, power moonroof, home link, factory navigation system with a touchscreen audio system, dual automatic climate control. You also have the heated front leather seats, heated steering wheel along with the info controls. Altogether very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2013 Dodge Dart Limited